So, the most common, I think, model that we use in English is can. When we say can, it means ability, permission, and possibility. So, bakit siya naging ability? Bakit pag gumamit tayo ng can, ang, ang intention niya ay to show ability. For example, sabi natin, I can paint. It shows your ability to paint. I can swim. Okay, it means that you have the ability to swim. It is used also to ask for permission. For example, can I turn on the TV? Hindi siya ganong magalang, but still you are asking permission. Can I turn off the light? Still you are asking permission. And then another one is possibility. For example, I say it can rain, or it can rain tomorrow. It can happen in the future. So the speaker is telling us that what he or she is saying is possible to happen in the future with the use of the modal can. So sabi ko sa kanina, I will use an example that I think will be remembered when we talk about models. For example, you have a boyfriend, and then your boyfriend told you, I can marry you. From the sentence, I can marry you, what will come to your mind hearing that? Sabi natin kanina, ability. So, meron siyang kakayahan na pakasalan ka. Ibig sabihin, single siya. Meron siyang panahon na maglakad ng papel. Meron siyang kakayahan na magbayad para sa kasal. Meron siyang kabuhayan. Meron siyang house and lot. O baka meron pa rin siyang kotse, may mansion. Kaya niyang bumuhay ng pamilya. So, when your boyfriend told you, I can marry you, ibig sabihin, meron siyang kapasidad and ability to marry you. Would you like your boyfriend to tell you, I can marry you?